Imagine spending 4 years getting a degree, sending out 300 job applications and still hearing nothing. But unfortunately, we've decided to move forward with Most people think unemployment happens because people are lazy. But that's only a tiny part of the story. The real reason is much bigger. And once you understand it, you'll never look at jobs the same way. 20 years ago, learning one skill could keep you employed for decades. Today, technology changes every year. Companies aren't just hiring people with degrees anymore. They're hiring people who can solve today's problems. Someone who keeps learning often beats someone who stopped learning after college. But here's the part nobody talks about. Imagine two people. Person A has a perfect resume. Person B has real projects, practical skills, and proof they can solve problems. Who gets hired? In many cases, Person B. Because employers don't just buy knowledge, they buy results. Years ago, you competed with people in your city. Now, you're competing with people from around the world. A company can hire someone from another country, someone with more experience, or someone who learned the exact skill they're looking for. The competition didn't disappear, it became global. Here's the good news. The same internet that increased competition also gives you unlimited opportunities. You can learn almost any valuable skill online. Build projects, create a portfolio, start freelancing, or even build your own business. The people who keep adapting are the ones who stay valuable. So maybe the question isn't, why can't I find a job? Maybe it's, what skill can I build that companies can't ignore? Because in today's world, your greatest job security isn't your degree. It's your ability to keep learning. Follow for more Stickman videos that explain the world in